Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find all the videos that are on my channel. So you will go on to your computer, your gadget, your phone, go onto YouTube, and in the search bar up here type in even just Alison Crochet. You can put Alison's crochet blankets, Alison Russell's crochet, just that'll do. And then you'll see me here, and then just click on my channel. Now I'm going to turn the volume off on that. Now what you'll do now is up here where it says videos, it says my home page. Now up here where it says video, I'll point my little pointer up here. If you click on that, it's going to show you all the videos that I have ever uploaded. It'll just keep coming on, all those hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of videos. And that way you can look at all the old videos that you might not have seen. And there is over 700, nearly 800 videos on my channel here. I'll just keep swinging through them all. And that way you can see all the older videos. Now I'm sure up the top here there is an option. You can click popular over here where it says popular, and you'll see all the older, all the ones that people watch a lot. Brilliant. I didn't realise I'd done so many actually. I've got 740 videos. I didn't realise I did that many. And then if you go to latest, if you keep just sliding that bar down, you can see all the videos that I have ever uploaded. So have a look. All you need to do, if to find anyone's video library on YouTube, you just type their name into the search up here, type their name into the search, and then you'll see a part that will say home page, and then you'll have one that's videos. They've got playlists, community, channels. That's the channels that we're, if you've got other channels, or that's the channels that we're subscribed to, and you just click on that one that says videos, and it shows you all the video library. And that is how to find the videos. A few people have said, we don't know where are all your videos, how do we find them? And that is how you navigate a YouTube page on someone's channel to find what you're looking for. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. I don't know if you can see my hand. There is a subscribe button that's over here. It's over here, and if you click on it, then there's another button beside it that says join, and that join button is where you can help the channels that you like the most, and you can join and help them out with a little donation each month if you want to do that as well for your favourite channels. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. I've done a lot of hard work on it, and help me get my subscriber count up. You don't get paid for subscribers. What happens is it helps YouTube, it helps you to be seen a bit more on YouTube. So thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe to the channel. Click on that subscribe button, and if you click on the bell icon, YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.